Hello guys, welcome to current affairs preparation. Today we will discuss top 30 current affairs MCQ of the May 4th week. Let's begin the session. First one is India's first agriculture export facilitation center has been unveiled in which city? And the answer is option 1, Pune. It is launched by Maharatha Chamber of Commerce, Industry and Agriculture in collaboration with NABARD. NABARD means National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, headquartered in Mumbai. Chairman of NABARD is G.R. Chintala. And MCCIA, that means Maharatha Chamber of Commerce, Industry and Agriculture, is located in Pune. And next one is Dr. K.K. Agrawal, who has passed away recently, was related to which field of medicine? And the answer is option 4, cardiology. He was also served as president of IMA, Indian Medical Association. And next one is the supercomputer named Simurgh has been developed by which country recently? And the answer is option 2, Iran. Iran capital is Tehran, currency is rial. France capital is Paris, currency is euro. South Korea, Seoul won. And former Union Minister Chamanlal Gupta, who has passed away recently, he was a senior BJP leader from which state or which union territory? And the answer is option 5, Jammu and Kashmir. And next one is which of the following telecom operator has recently been joined the global consortium to build an undersea cable network? And the answer is option 3, Reliance Jio. And next one is which of the following state recently launched Medicine from the Sky project involving delivery of medicines through multiple drones? And the answer is option 2, Telangana. Telangana CM is KCR, K. Chandrasekhar Rao, and Governor of Telangana is Tamilisai Soundararajan. And next one is the Ministry of Tribal Affairs and Dash signed a memorandum of understanding on the joint initiative for digital transformation of tribal schools. And the answer is option 5, Microsoft. Minister of Tribal Affairs is Arjun Munda and Microsoft headquartered in Washington DC, USA. And next one is who has been elected the new president of Tibet? And the answer is option 1, Penpa Tsering. And Tibet capital is Lhasa and currency is renminbi. Next one is which state has launched the mobile app Moma Market for home delivery of fresh vegetables? Agency Market. And Manipur CM is N. Biren Singh, Governor is Nazma Heptullah. And next one is India's WPI wholesale price index inflation surges to dash percent for April 2021. And the answer is option 3, 10.49%. Next one is Mokhtar Aune has been reappointed as the Prime Minister of which of the following country? And the answer is option 2, Mali. And Mali capital is Bamako, currency is CFA franc. Nigeria, Abuja Naira. Eritrea, Asmara, Nakfa. Sudan, Khartoum, Sudan C pound. Yemen, capital is Suna, currency is real. And next one is the United Launch Alliance launched the dash from Cape Canaveral Space Force Station, Florida. And the answer is option 5, Atlas V rocket. Atlas V rocket carried SBRIS Geo-5 missile warning satellite. SBRIS means space-based infrared system. And here United Launch Alliance headquartered in Colorado, USA. And next one is, who chaired the 26th meeting of Group of Ministers on COVID-19? And the answer is option 1, Harshvardhan. Harshvardhan is Union Minister of Health and Family Welfare, and S. Jaishankar is Minister of External Affairs, and Mansukh Mandaviya is the and Nityanand Rai is the Minister of State for Home Affairs, and Hardeep S. Puri, that means Hardeep Singh Puri, is the Union Minister of Housing and Urban Affairs. And next one is, who became the first Indian origin fighter to win the world title in a top level MMA? And the answer is option 3, Arjun Buller. MMA means mixed martial arts, and Arjun Buller defeated Brandon Vera from USA to become the heavyweight world champion at the Singapore based One Championship. And next one is, renowned folklorist and acclaimed writer K.I. Rajanarayanan has passed away recently. He was from which state? And the answer is option 4, Tamil Nadu. And next one is, who won back-to-back men's high jump titles in the Big 12 Outdoor Track and Field Championships for Kansas State University? And these championships held at Manhattan, USA. And the answer is option 1, Tejaswini Shankar. And next one is, recently which of the following states declared black fungus as a notified disease? And the answer is option 2, Haryana. Haryana CM is Manohar Lal Khattar, and Governor of Haryana is Satyadev Narayan Arya. And next one is, International Invisible Gold Medal of 2021 has been conferred on option 5. By Maharshi organization, and here Harshvardhan is Union Health and Family Welfare Minister and also Minister of Science and Technology and Minister of Earth Sciences, and Nirmala Sitharaman is Union Finance Minister, Amit Shah is Union Home Affairs Minister. And next one is, which of the following institutions has designed an eco-friendly cremation cart recently? And the answer is IIT Ropar, option 3, IIT Ropar. IIT Ropar in Punjab. And next one is, who among the following has won the Miss Universe 2021 crown? And the answer is option 2, Andrea Meza. Andrea Meza from Mexico. And next one is, senior Congress leader and Rajya Sabha MP Rajiv Satav passed away recently. He was formerly member of parliament in 16th Lok Sabha from, and the answer is option 4, Hingoli constituency in Maharashtra. And next one is, World AIDS Vaccine Day is also known as HIV Vaccine Awareness Day, is observed annually on option 3, May 18th. May 18th is celebrated as World AIDS Vaccine Day and also International Museum Day and Armed Forces Day. May 17th is observed as World Telecommunication Day and World Hypertension Day. And next one is, what is the theme of International Museum Day 2021? International Museum Day is observed on May 18th, and the theme next one is, India lost the ONGC Videsh Limited discovered Farzad B gas field. Farzad B gas field is situated in which country? And the answer is option 3, Iran. Iran capital is Tehran, currency is rial. Kuwait capital is Kuwait city, currency is dinar. Saudi Arabia, Riyadh, Riyal, and Qatar, Doha, Riyal, Bahrain, Manama, Dinar. And next one is, who has been appointed as the new company head of Suzuki Motorcycle India? And the answer is option 5, Satoshi Uchida. And next one is, recently Google Cloud and Dash signed a deal for providing internet services through Starlink satellite. And the answer is option 4, SpaceX. SpaceX headquartered in California, USA, and the CEO of SpaceX is Elon Musk, and Google headquartered in California, USA. And next one is, the National Digital Financial Infrastructure is a next generation digital financial infrastructure being built by which body? And the answer is option 3, Institute for Development and Research in Banking Technology, IDRBT. IDRBT headquartered in Hyderabad, Telangana. And next one is, who has been posthumously inducted into the Naismith Memorial Basketball Hall of Fame? And the answer is option 2, Kobe Bryant. National Museum Day is celebrated. And the answer is option 1, 18th May. 18th May is also celebrated as World AIDS Vaccine Day, and 15th May is celebrated as International Day of Families, and 17th May as World Telecommunication Day and World Hypertension Day. And last one is, former Saurashtra pacer and BCCI referee Dash has died due to COVID-19. And the answer is option 5, Rajendra Singh Jadeja. Here we come to an end, guys. If you like this session, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you, guys.